today's Spark Wars is going to be a little bit different. We basically have 2 groups of 3. All of them will compete against each other. So we're going to go from 3 to 1, and we're going to bring in 3 more competitors. We're going to go from 3 to 1, and then the final 2 competitors are going head-to-head to win today's Spark Wars competition. Today they're building these Thor hammer kits that we got from Maker Table. Basically, they're all laser cut, ready to fit together. We're grading them on how well they weld all the joints. If they add any artistic flair to it, that's going to give them some bonus points. But this kit right here is perfect for Spark Wars. All right, gentlemen, it's time for Spark Wars. All right, so who have I got here? What's your name?
Colton.
Colton?
Silas.
Silas?
Blake.
Blake. All from where? Oh,
Fraternal University, Longview, Texas.
Texas. Well, you'll like this because you're going to build a Texas-sized hammer. I want you to basically weld the 4 back seams. I want the handle welded on. And if you want to get sassy, you can do something. You can either put a design on the handle or whatever you want, but you have 25 minutes to complete it. You'll be judged on the quality of the welds and basically the overall fit and finish of the entire thing. So pick your welding station, get geared up, and we'll start. Ready, set, go. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, tools down, step away from your workstation. This competition is over. All right, I'm gonna have a guest judge come join me. Adam from Maker Table is gonna help me judge these guys. All right, here we go. So Adam, this is all short arc. I'm gonna put down my hammer. It's gonna look awesome. All right, what do we think?
I mean, he gets major style points for, what is this, his last name?
No, that's the school.
Oh, the school? He's repping hard. He didn't put his own name on it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's dedication.
All right, step away from your job here. All right, so here we got. All right, so same thing, all short arc.
Yep.
Oh.
What?
It's the most important piece.
It's backwards.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's right.
I mean,
All right, here we go. So this one's been
holy smokes.
So
this
this was
almost apples to oranges here, though.
well, but it was different welding process. They got the choose. This one's TIG. So we
Yeah.
got could be on both sides. Oh. Oh no, it's right. It's just upside down.
Oh, so when it's in display mode,
Yes.
it's perfect.
There we go. Okay. All right. There we go. Come on in here. All right. The winner of this is just round 1. But right now, the winner is right here. Woo! All right. You don't get to wear this yet. All right. I need my next 3 competitors. You're also from a school, right?
Yes.
Who do we have here? What's your name?
Leah Fontanes, hi.
Hello. Okay, Leah and
Aaliyah Sarita.
Leah and
I'm Miranda.
Miranda. Where are you from?
Orlando.
Orlando, Florida. All right, so you've seen what you have to do, right? You have to create the Maker Table Thor's hammer. Head to your stations and we'll bring you your stuff. Here we go. Start your hammers. Go. Start your hammers. Vroom. Welders, step away from your machines, walk away from your hammers, and prepare to be judged. Adam's judging with me again. Here we go. Let's start over here.
Let's go.
Here we go. Holy, look at this. That's got,
Bro, style points for days.
All right, so first let's check the 2 ends. So, all right, flip that around so I can see the other end. All right, so the seams are fully welded. That's good. Let me see the logos. All right, next one. Okay, so it is set for display position. That's good. All right, like it. Look at all that. All right. Oh, look at the top. Oh, wow. Okay, all right, next one. All right, let's see here. Okay, we've got end seam there. Yep. All right. We got end seam there. All right. Logo.
This fillet weld is beautiful where the handle connects to the hammer.
It is very good, isn't it? Yeah.
That was sharp.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now we move on to the final competitor. All right. Let's see here. We've got, oh, nice weld onto the handle. We got one end done there. One end done there. Okay. We'll spin it around. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. I think we have a clear winner. All right, competitors, please come to the front. All right. We have a clear winner. And now this is semifinals, so we got one more step after this. But our winner for this challenge is right here. All right, so where's our first round competitor? We need to get him. All right, come on in. This is how this is gonna work. We're not gonna have you build another hammer, but I'm gonna give each of you 5 minutes to go to the plasma cutter or get some coupons, whatever you want, to make some additional items for your hammer, and then you're gonna have 10 minutes to augment the hammer in any way you want. All right, so I'll give you 5 minutes to gather up your items that you want and then return back to your station, and then we'll begin. Ready? Go. Five, four, three, two, one. All right, here we go, Adam. Let's judge some hammers. We got to do our final judge, Adam.
I had to improvise because I didn't have enough time. I was gonna do more.
I like. Ooh, would that be is that a lightning bolt or a snake?
Lightning bolt?
I like it. Either one. I like. All right.
I didn't have enough time to cut more pieces, so I kind of just took some of these.
I kind of dig it.
It's got like a TIE fighter thing going on now.
I do. It does.
It's like an Egyptian TIE fighter.
Egyptian TIE fighter.
Yeah,
That is
with
very
the,
true.
With the Eye of Horus on there and the sun god.
Yeah.
You know?
All right. Let's go to the next one. All right. So what do we got? Oh, a little. That's like a nice little lightning bolt. There we go. Yeah. Lightning bolt. Oh, and then some stuff on the top. I like it. I like it. All right. We're gonna come on out here and we're gonna choose our winner. The winner of this incredibly advanced version of Spark Wars is. Congratulations. There we go. She got you on creativity, but you had that. So you get the chains. There you go. Whoa. No, you got to put that on. Oh, you got, yeah, I want, yeah. Excellent.